Hello guys, today we're going to learn something so important. It's about AutoCAD C3D. We're going to make corridors and we're going to make test drive for these corridors for simulation. Let's get started. All files is going to be attached below. If you guys want to just practice, go ahead and get the files, all the point files, AutoCAD files. Okay, let's get started. As you see, we have our AutoCAD files right here. Let's get started from the scratch. We have Excel files, point files. We're gonna get it and make a surface out of it. Let's go to the insert point from file. It is here, airport file, open. We're gonna choose BNEZ. I'm gonna make it on the point group so that it's make easy for you guys. I'm gonna call it CR, abbreviation for corridor. Okay. We need just hit double click and the mouse wheels, double click. Here we go. I would like to make surface out of this. I'm gonna call it surface 1, corridor 1, S1, surface 1. In order to just fit it with the points group, just going to the extend, open this files, go to the point group, add. We already have CR point group. It's gonna take times. This is the surface that we get. This is our surfaces. I'm gonna make it like realistic or conceptual. This is conceptual one. This is shaded one. So we got our surfaces right here. Now we would like to hide all these points. We got a lot of points, a lot of noisy. I'm gonna just hide all these things. Right click, properties, then going to the none. We just hide the all points. Now I'm gonna just choose part of the surfaces. We don't really want all this stuff right here, so that I'm gonna just make a boundary for this guy, so that we're gonna just focus on this one. I'm gonna go to the boundary, right click, add A1 outer. Okay, now let's look better. The next like steps is going to the alignment. Before we're going to the alignments, we need to make something so important. It is grading stuff. Let's just go to the edit surfaces, surface properties. I wanted to get some statistic. General maximum elevation is 57. This is 57, maximum one. 41 is the minimum one. Let's go to make some annotation. Add labels. Add spot elevation or contour. I'm gonna make some contours from here. Add contour, multiple contour. This is give us idea of the elevation of this little surfaces. So we got 40, we got 42. This is the peak, it is 50. So we got 38. So the maximum here is, I think it is like 50. It is 50. Let's check the other peak, 34. I'm gonna make some feature line that's coming just here. It is just here. I'm gonna make it 51. Let's just delete this guy, delete. I'm gonna make grading for this one so that it just grading tools, grading, automatic surface creation. It would be this one. I'm gonna call it this one. To the surfaces, Then going to the create grading, I'm gonna choose this. Assign elevation. I'm gonna give it 51. 51 is enough. Okay. Select the grading site. It would be outside. Yes. Slope. Enter. Default. Enter. Default. Enter. Default. Enter. Now he make the grading right here. Now I would like to fill it. Create fillet. Enter. Now we got something special right here. It is flat surfaces. This is the surfaces that I'm going to build my corridor in. But the first thing I would need to make like total surfaces for this guys. See, it is overlapping right here. To just erase this overlapping, we need to make the third surfaces and sum the both surfaces in one surfaces. Let's just create another surfaces. I'm gonna call it create surfaces. I'm gonna call it total surfaces, T surfaces. Then I'm gonna to T surfaces, going definition, edit, right click, paste surfaces. I'm gonna choose the first one, this one, then again paste surfaces, then the second one. Now we got total surfaces, select surface. I got just total surfaces without overlapping right here. It is perfect right now. Then I'm gonna to like I'm going to the alignment. The alignments, what I need to do the first to draw some random polyline arc, second point. Let's just draw the path for the corridors. It's going to be polyline. Second point, arc, then second point. That should be good. I would like to just move it a little bit to be like this. It would be great. So now I would choose alignment from object. I'm gonna choose this guy, enter. I'm gonna reverse it. Okay, now just we got alignment. Then we need to make some profile, surface profile. It would be alignment one for the total. I'm gonna add it to Google total, draw in profile, create profile. I'm gonna put it right here. See, surface profile, it is on the flat surfaces. So we can't see it right here because in the surfaces is here, right here. This is the surfaces. It is here on the surfaces because, as I told you before, it is like on the flat area. The design profile is going to be up a little bit, so you're gonna see it right here. Great. Now, I would like to create profile tools for this one. Alignment one, okay. I'm gonna draw it here by myself. I have like two options. I could put it in the same level, so I'm gonna to put it in the same level. It's fine, guys. Enter. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Let's just go to the profile. Okay. This is station 0. This is station 0. I'm gonna choose this station 0 to the station. I would like to make it up a little bit. Up a little bit. So that you can guys just then we need just going to the assembly. I can get ready assembly for this guy. Going to the this one, choose the basic assembly, put it here. Then the last step is going to the corridor, then alignment, choose the alignment, proper, layer 2, and basic assembly. Now, so we make the corridor. The final steps. Now the final steps is going to test drive. The way to do that, just going to the corridors, then hit it, going to the drive, then choose this guide in the middle, then choose the first one, going okay. He's going to get us the corridor. Let's just check it. Here we go. So let's just change the how it looks. So this is the corridor we got. This is the simulation of the corridor. It is clear in this way. So as you see, guys, we can build our corridors or roads from scratch, then do it in 3D, then test the driving on these corridors. It is just by simple steps. Just follow up all the files that I'm gonna attach it, and you can do it. Thanks very much.